How to fix product key error on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now, from the specific error message itself, the product key or the professional product key you're trying to input on your Windows activating it is actually not eligible or not valid. For you to be able to get a legitimate product key or professional key when activating your Windows is just simply head straight into the Microsoft official website, choose your designated operating system if it's for Windows 11 or if it is for Windows 10. From here, all you have to do next is just simply access your control panel. Type in control, click on control panel. Now go into system and security, system, and then from about, just simply scroll down a bit, and then go to change product key or upgrade your edition of Windows, and go to change product key. Now this is where you'll have to re-enter the product key where you've got from the legitimate Microsoft Store or any sources available on your end. Then just simply input the code and click on next. And that's how you fix product key error on Windows 10 and 11.